could change the fitting inside, and you can fitting there, you can change, you can get others and make that either thinner or whatever and make the foam more thick. This goes in with the O-ring. I'm gonna try this foam gun out now, because let's be honest, the foam gun this thing comes with is a piece of crap. So and the problem is they want 500 rand. What? For this, with one bottle of 250ml, which is only one trip, but I put like half the bottle in because I actually want to see what it does with like normal shampoo. So yeah, let's just try it out. So it goes. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Runs up really quick though. Just stuck to the formula and is that like? I want to know if I can put it up with normal car shampoo. It's not this like this is a big bottle of 5-liter Shield, and I want to use this now in here and see if it still makes a lot of foam. So try this car shampoo. It works. Not hefty. That's not hefty at all. Not gonna lie, I haven't touched the rungs and it's super clean. That formula they're giving you, that's the stuff. Yeah, so that's the review of my Bennett Read foam cannon. It's not worth that 500 rand odd they give you. But it's because it's proprietary to the washer. I can understand why they charge so much. Second of all, you need that foam stuff, shampoo stuff with it. You can't use normal shampoo. So yeah, that's about it. But that's why I do this for you guys, so that you can see that. But I won't lie, the paint feels a bit different in my normal shampoo for some reason. Oh, maybe like a type of ceramic coat. Oh, imagine. Anyways guys, I'm out. See you in the next video. Hope this helps. Bye.